Question number 5 of exercise 13.1. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. We know the all side of a cube are same. यानी कि क्यूब की जो all sides होती हैं लेंथ ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट्स आर सेम. So length, height and width are 10 centimeter. मीन्स क्यूबिकल है तो ओनली वन साइड इज गिवन here. ठीक है, वन साइड ही गिवन होती है उसमें क्यूब में. And another cuboidal box, and the one another box is given that and the shape of that box is cuboid means length, width and height are not same, at least one will be different. ठीक है, so two boxes are given here. One is the shape of a cube and the another box is the shape of a cuboid. The side of cube is 10 centimeter and the dimension of cuboidal box is 12 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter height. यानी cuboidal box की sides गिवन है और cube की side गिवन है. Then we have to find out two things. ठीक है, first of all write down first which box has the greater lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means the area of all surrounding wall only. ठीक है ना, we will not include the area of top and bottom in this area. So lateral surface area means the area of surrounding wall. ठीक है, so which box has the greater lateral surface area and how much. ठीक है, so write down the side of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. ठीक है, लेंथ ऑफ cuboid is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Breadth or wide is 8 centimeter and height is this is width is 10 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. These values are given. So we will calculate the lateral surface area of cube first. Lateral surface area of cube. What is the lateral surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube is 6a square. 6a square. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. ठीक है, because there are 6 phases. Suppose this is cube 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ठीक है, but we have to calculate the area of surrounding wall only. ठीक है, so this will become 4a square. We will not calculate the area of top and bottom. So the lateral surface area of cube is 4a square. A means side. Cube of side of cube A. ठीक है, so calculate this. 4 multiply with 10 square. 4 and the square of 10 is 100. So this will become 400 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of cube. Now lateral surface area of cuboid what 2HL plus B. This is the total surface area of 4 wall of cuboid only. यानी suppose this is the cuboid shape and the total surface area of 4 wall only this 2h multiply with L plus B. So put the values to the value of h here 8 and L 12.5 and 10. 12.5 plus 10. So this will become 16 multiply with 22.5. Multiply with this 16 5s are 80. 0 carry 8. 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 8 40. 0 carry 4. 13 to 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 4 36. And we will use decimal after one place. So this will become 360 centimeter square. So which area is greater? This. Okay. So area, lateral surface area of cube is greater. And how much greater? Difference 400 minus 360. 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर मीन्स 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया जो है वो ग्रेटर है क्यूब का. ठीक है. सेकेंड, विच बॉक्स हैज स्मॉलर सरफेस एरिया एंड हाउ मच? नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द टू थिंग्स अगेन. टोटल सरफेस एरिया, we will calculate the total surface area of both things. ठीक है. So total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Put the value 6 multiply with a means 10 square. ठीक है. So this will become 6 multiply with 100 and 600 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cube. Now total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2lb plus bh plus hL. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Put the values 2 multiply with L. L is 12.5 multiply with 10 plus 10 multiply with 8 plus 8 multiply with 12.5. Calculate this value. 2. This will become 125 plus 80 plus 8. This will become 1000. 8 5s are 40. 0 carry 4. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. 0 carry 2. 8 1s are 8 and 2 10. Means we will use decimal after one place. So 100 centimeter, you can write down 100. This will become 225 plus 80 305 2 multiply with 305. So this will become 610 centimeter square. So which area is greater? The total surface area of cuboid is greater, 610. And how much greater? 10 centimeter square. What is the difference between 610 and 610? 10 centimeter square. So the total surface area of difference is equal to 610 minus 600. This is